At ACI Mechanical and HVAC Sales, we take pride by making your work easy by selecting the VRF systems you need. My name is Mike Manley. I am the VRF specialist at ACI. Today we're going to discuss the benefits of how a Carrier VRF system can help your buildings thrive. A VRF system has an outdoor unit that sends refrigerant to multiple indoor units. VRF systems are great because they're energy efficient, they provide simultaneous heating and cooling, and they have enhanced temperature controls that allow the workspaces to be more comfortable for the employees and customers. This Carrier VRF system is a great choice because it's contractor friendly, which allows for an easy, smooth installation. It has robust hardware and software, which makes service calls easy. And this particular unit is a 20-ton unit. It's a single chassis, so it takes up less outdoor space. At ACI, we will make sure you get the right VRF system for your project. And once it's installed, we'll show up and provide startup assistance to ensure it runs smoothly. Now let's go take a look at the indoor units. Indoor units in the VRF system distribute air into individual rooms within the building. This is an indoor cassette unit from Carrier. A few reasons you'd want a good indoor unit like this is it allows for flexible installation, and it doesn't have ductwork. And when you don't have ductwork, the system becomes more efficient. Finding the right indoor unit to match your room's design is something we can help out with, whether it's Carrier or one of our many other product lines. With Carrier's wide range of indoor units, we are able to fill the needs of the building's heating and air conditioning requirements. Having a system like this is essential for your building comfort, and Carrier helps make the decision-making process easy. Not to mention, they have a great fulfillment record. Please reach out to your sales engineer at ACI Mechanical and HVAC Sales, and let us help you select the best system for your project.